Ever wished you had X-ray vision? Well, we're getting closer than you might think.
Oh.
Today we're diving into the world of hyperspectral cameras.
Yeah, okay.
These things can see way more than our eyes ever could,
Wow.
revealing hidden details and even the chemical makeup of objects.
Yeah, it's like getting a secret fingerprint of whatever you're looking at, unlocking a whole new level of information.
We've got some cutting-edge research to unpack here,
Okay.
detailing a breakthrough that could make hyperspectral cameras smaller and simpler than ever before.
Really?
Imagine this tech in your smartphone,
Yeah.
or even a tiny drone.
That's right. Miniaturization is the key here. It could bring hyperspectral imaging into everyday life,
Yeah.
with applications ranging from checking the ripeness of your fruit at the grocery store to medical diagnostics.
The article talks about a spectral lens that can be swapped right into a normal camera.
Right.
So no more bulky equipment.
Yeah.
How does that even work?
What's fascinating is that they've figured out how to combine two functions into one single component. This new lens focuses the light to create an image,
Right.
just like any camera lens,
Yeah.
but it also splits that light like a prism to analyze its spectrum. It's an incredibly elegant solution.
Okay, so like Newton's prism experiments back in the day,
Yeah,
splitting sunlight into a rainbow,
exactly.
except now it's happening inside a camera lens.
Yep.
But how did they build this magical lens?
Believe it or not, the key ingredient is liquid crystals.
Liquid crystals.
You know the stuff in LCD screens.
Wait, seriously?
Yeah.
What do liquid crystals have to do with cameras?
It turns out liquid crystals are incredibly versatile.
Okay.
They can act as tiny controllable prisms that both focus and split the light all within that single lens.
My mind is officially blown. The research mentions that this camera achieved 96.3% spectral fidelity.
Right.
Sounds impressive. But what does it actually mean for the quality of information we get?
It means the camera is incredibly accurate at capturing those specific wavelengths of light, essentially colors, that reveal the object's unique signature. Imagine being able to identify cancer cells before they even form a tumor,
Wow.
just based on subtle color shifts.
Really?
This level of accuracy opens up a whole new world for material analysis and medical diagnostics.
Wow, that's incredible. And there was another detail that caught my eye.
Okay.
The camera achieves spatial resolution 1.7 times better than the diffraction limit.
Yeah.
Wait, 1.7 times better than the diffraction limit.
It's huge.
Explain this like I'm 5, because that sounds huge-y.
Think of the diffraction limit as a speed limit for how much detail a camera can see.
Okay.
They've essentially broken that speed limit,
Wow.
capturing finer details than theoretically possible.
So all thanks to that clever single lens design.
Exactly.
Less light lost means a sharper image.
Exactly. And that sharper image means we can analyze objects and scenes with a level of detail we've never seen before.
This is seriously cool.
Yeah.
The article mentions some potential applications,
Right.
like drones, smartphones,
Yeah.
even portable medical devices. I mean, can you imagine having a hyperspectral camera on your phone?
Oh, yeah.
The possibilities seem endless.
Totally.
Remember struggling to tell if an avocado was ripe?
Yeah.
Imagine a camera that could tell you exactly how ripe it is.
That's just the beginning.
Really?
If you connect this to the bigger picture, it really is mind-boggling.
Okay.
Imagine self-driving cars that can see the road conditions in more detail,
Wow.
analyzing the texture and composition of the pavement to anticipate hazards.
So we're talking about a whole new level of safety and awareness for self-driving vehicles.
Exactly. Or think about art authentication,
Okay.
where a hyperspectral camera could spot forgeries by detecting subtle differences in the pigments used. You could instantly verify the authenticity of a masterpiece.
Okay. That's seriously cool.
Yeah.
But let's go even further.
Oh,
What about personalized health monitoring?
Yeah.
Could a hyperspectral camera on your phone detect changes in your skin?
Absolutely.
Really?
We already know that certain medical conditions can cause subtle changes in skin color or blood flow.
Right.
A hyperspectral camera could pick up on those changes long before they're visible to the human eye,
Wow.
potentially leading to earlier diagnosis and treatment.
That's amazing. Early detection is key for so many health conditions.
Right.
We've touched on some exciting applications here.
Yeah.
But what are some other areas where this technology could have a big impact?
Think about environmental monitoring, where drones equipped with hyperspectral cameras could survey forests for signs of disease or pollution.
Wow.
We could monitor the health of our planet with incredible precision.
It's like giving ourselves superhuman vision.
It is.
Are there any limitations to this technology that we should be aware of?
One thing to keep in mind is that currently the lens works best with still images, capturing spectral information over time.
Right.
Capturing hyperspectral video in real time is still something they're working towards.
So we're not quite at the point of having live hyperspectral video feeds.
Not yet, but it's definitely on the horizon.
Okay.
Another aspect is the reliance on computational processing to interpret the data captured by the camera.
Right.
While the spectral lens itself is compact, the overall system still requires sophisticated algorithms to make sense of all that information.
So there's still some work to be done before we're all walking around with hyperspectral cameras on our phones.
Right.
But the progress they've made is remarkable. This is going to be a game changer in so many fields.
It is.
I'm already excited to see what the next generation of hyperspectral cameras will be capable of.
Think about how artists could use this to capture and manipulate light in completely new ways.
Wow.
Creating art with dimensions we can't even imagine yet.
Or how archaeologists could use it to analyze ancient artifacts and uncover hidden details about the past.
Yeah.
The possibilities are truly endless.
It's a powerful reminder that we're living in an age of remarkable scientific advancement.
Yeah.
And the future holds incredible possibilities if we harness these innovations wisely.
This deep dive has been incredible.
It really has.
We've gone from sci-fi fantasies to a very real scientific breakthrough.
Right.
With the potential to change how we see and interact with the world around us.
It's like upgrading from black and white to color, but on a whole other level, we're going from a limited view of reality to a much richer and more informative one.
So to wrap things up,
Okay.
It seems like this seemingly simple lens swap could revolutionize how we capture and use visual information.
Absolutely.
It's mind-blowing to think about all the potential applications we've discussed today.
Yeah.
From healthcare to art to self-driving cars and beyond.
And who knows what other applications will emerge as this technology develops further.
Right. Like, what else could we even use this for?
The possibilities are truly endless.
Before we go,
Okay.
we'd love to hear from you.
Oh, yeah.
Imagine you have a hyperspectral camera right on your phone. What's the first thing you would use it for?
That's a good question.
Would you analyze the freshness of your groceries?
Right.
Examine a piece of art? Or maybe scan yourself for early signs of a health condition?
Interesting.
Share your thoughts with us on social media.
Yeah.
We're really curious to hear your ideas.
It's amazing to think that this incredible technology stems from something as commonplace as liquid crystals.
Right.
The stuff in our TV screens.
Yeah.
It's a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the surprising ways that scientific breakthroughs can emerge from unexpected places.
This deep dive into the world of hyperspectral cameras has been a wild ride.
It has.
We hope you learned something new and exciting today.
Yeah.
And maybe even got a little glimpse of the incredible future that awaits us.
Until next time.
Yes.
Keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep diving deep into the wonders of science.